Hey, what's up? This is Shegun, pastor of Young Adult Ministry here at The Remix. And tonight, I'm actually shooting the message from Tim Leonard's house, one of our ministry directors. I'm actually going to be on vacation this week, but we taught tonight's message from his location. Anyway, tonight we talked about, or we finished the message we began last week, really about what the Holy Spirit is capable of doing. And there are three things we said tonight. Number one is this, that the Holy Spirit who fills up the life of a believer can grant the Christian boldness and courage in times when they are somewhat timid. And we talked about that in the message. We also said the Holy Spirit also grants believers encouragement and comfort in great times of need. And thirdly, we said the Holy Spirit grants life, and we fleshed that all out in the message. And the big idea really of all of it was this, that you and I need to approach the Holy Spirit more with a sense of expectation, that we need to believe that He's more than able to do limitless possibilities in our lives when we are filled with Him. And that's what we talked about in tonight's message. I hope you check it out, the full message, at our website, www.remixnj.com. Have a great week.